Hi. So this video is about clearing a few myths about the compliances which are required under the Posh Act. As a company secretary and lawyer, I come across many questions related to the compliances, as in the requirements, mandatory requirements, which are to be done during a year. Basically, we can divide these compliances in six parts, starting from what would be the basic compliance when you say that I'm an organization of, say, more than 10 employees. So, starting with constitution of an internal committee or a POSH committee also. It can be called as a POSH committee. Yeah, every organization needs to have an internal committee. Next would be conducting regular training and sensitization sessions. So why these sessions is required is many people know about POSH, but they may or may not be aware of where to reach out in case something like this is happening to them or to their colleagues. So there has to be regular training sessions which should be conducted for the employees. For it would be more of awareness sessions which should be helpful for them to know upfront what to do in case such things are happening. Third would be conducting regular meetings, so it shouldn't happen as in there is a POSH committee but it is not meeting at all, or maybe there are POSH complaints during the year but there is no effort being made for looking forward for a solution to those complaints. So conducting of regular meetings is also one of the basic compliance requirements which is there under POSH. Next would be formation and dissemination of POSH policy. So this is again related to the point number 2 which I just enumerated. What it says is आपने POSH policy तो बना ली, but it is in the papers. It is right in your documents. People are not aware of it. So probably it would result in I mean it is as good as not having a policy because people are not aware of it. So dissemination of POSH policy, again, if you send it as an email on a regular basis, it can be one of ways to handle this, but it may not be the perfect way of handling it. So probably putting the POSH that there is a POSH policy and the organization is totally against these POSH cases or anything which falls under this category. Some kind of billboard should be put in the areas where people are going regularly. So maybe you can put it in the cafeteria of the office, or maybe it can be near the coffee machine, or it can be near the washrooms which are there in the workplace, so that people just come across it just like that. They don't really have to visit that email, they don't really have to visit the policy to see what exactly to whom to reach out to. So maybe it can give out the names of the persons who belong to the POSH committee, or it can give out the procedure in case they are facing any such issue, they can reach out, and the information will be confidential, something like that. Because the first question which comes to anybody's mind in case of POSH cases is, if I raise it to someone, what will happen, what's next, what if somebody talks about it, or maybe somebody will come and shame me about it. So these are all the concerns generally which the employees face, and formation and dissemination of POSH policy exactly handles that particular point, wherein it takes care of the employees to tell them that yes, their reasons will be held confidential.